Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download your Uber receipts step by step. Keeping track of your spending is essential, and having easy access to your Uber receipts can help you manage your expenses effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Begin by launching the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your trip history. Tap on the menu icon, three horizontal lines located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Your Trips to view a list of all your completed rides. Step 3. Select the trip. Scroll through your trip history and select the ride for which you want to download the receipt. You can tap on any specific trip to see its details. Step 4. View receipt. Once you've selected the trip, scroll down to find the receipt section. This will display a summary of your fare, including any applicable fees, tips, and total cost. Step 5. Download the receipt. You'll see an option to Get Receipt or Email Receipt. If you choose Get Receipt, you may be prompted to download it directly as a PDF. Alternatively, if you select Email Receipt, the receipt will be sent to the email address associated with your account. Step 6. Check your email, if applicable. If you opted to receive your receipt via email, go to your email inbox and look for an email from Uber. Open it to access your receipt, which you can then save to your device or print out for your records. Step 7. Save and organize your receipts. After downloading your receipts, consider saving them in a dedicated folder for easy access. This will help you keep track of your expenses and manage your budget more effectively. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your Uber receipts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.